again, welcome back. One of the ways that we can optimize our workflow in Blender is to have a couple of different windows up. So we can have one, say we want to look at we want to see our 3D view over here, and in this view we want side view, and then we want another window. This is what we're running with. We're doing something in here. Say we want to see a timeline here, and then in this one we want to have video sequencer. Okay, these can be anything. Okay, but one thing that happens, especially in the early going, is we try to get rid of one, and we just accidentally create more, and we're like, wait a second, I didn't mean for this to happen, and now you've just created an absolute mess of a workstation, and you're wondering, how the hell do I get out of this? And the answer to deleting these windows is to click and drag, and the click is in a very special spot, and you have to do something with it immediately. So see my mouse, you see the arrow on the mouse, but when I scroll very slowly up to the top right, it turns into the crosshairs. Okay, now I have the ability to create a new window. If I click and drag to the left, it's going to create a new window. Okay, but if I click and drag over a window I want to delete, I click and drag, you can see it gets darker, and the arrow, there's a little caret arrow pointing right, and it deletes. Okay, I come up here, I see the crosshair, I click and drag over into the window I want to delete, and I let go. And it works side to side. It also works top to bottom. Okay, so I'm going to click here and scroll up, and it just eats that one. I'm going to do these right here. Now watch, if I grab it to the left, oh no, it creates another one. Shoot, I didn't want that. Okay, no problem. There's also another way. See how right here the two arrows show up? So this lets you, figure out how wide you want your window. So if you want to click this, right click, join areas, and then it asks you which one you want to join. Okay, it's an extra step. And all I'm doing is clicking and dragging, and then clicking and dragging, and then top right crosshair, click, drag, 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 and we're back to where we started with a single view. Okay, and then from here you can build out your if you want to keep it like this, great. If you want to make your own kind of viewport the way that Blender has, you can create your properties panel down here. You can come up here and get your where's your outliner? Blender, there's my outliner right there. And then you can kind of recreate your default scene. So I hope that helps, and I hope that's clear. So now you know how to optimize your workspace, which makes you a more effective and efficient Blender user, which is a great thing. So get back out there and keep making what you're making.